Morning. Rob. Yep. Yes, I am trading live today. Yep. Absolutely. Good morning. Good morning. Puts at open? Probably not. I'm gonna sell a good chunk of all these puts that we were holding before. I would be surprised if they keep on dropping it. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I would be surprised if they keep on dropping it. Maybe we bounce a bit to potentially 385, 386. And then re-enter into puts. But for now, I'm definitely I'm gonna probably sell. I'm only gonna hold probably like a few contracts off of these puts. And yeah, I just shared the link to the Twitch in the YouTube stream. But yeah, so far so good. This is clearly a bloodbath of a morning. Let me do that. But yeah, gonna be fun. Gonna be very, very fun. Positive mind, yes, absolutely, always. Oh man, these puts are probably gonna be up around 150%. So that's gonna be really nice to start the day. Cool. Let's see what happens here. We're trading. So this is the SPY. We're gonna be trading the closest contract expiration on the SPY with a at the money calls. So if I say that I'm going long, I'm buying at the money calls. If I say that I'm going short, that means I'm getting at the money puts. If you guys are new to options, you guys should definitely study up and make sure that you guys aren't getting involved in anything that you don't properly understand. Today's expiration, it's always the closest day to expiration contracts. Yep, exactly. All right. 383, man, in the pre-market. This is gonna be really, really fun. A new low. Wow, nice. 383 is major support on the SPY. Honestly, also today, I might just have a very short stream today because made a lot of money already on these puts. So I'm most likely not going to overtrade. I'm probably going to end at around 10:30. Let's see. But yeah, today should be really awesome. Ooh, nice. All right, so these are up about 80%. I'm gonna take a good chunk of these, let runners ride to see if we can break below 380. But yeah. All right, cool. All right. Not bad. Yeah, IV is also pretty high, almost 50%. Damn. No, I didn't buy anything yet. We were holding on to swing puts. Just took profit on those, letting runners ride. I think we end up breaking below 380 in the next week or so. But we have October 3rd contracts, so I'm just letting a few of those ride. But I'm not holding anything currently, day trading wise. Just waiting. You can see Apple making new lows. IV is very, very high. IV is very, very high. So any, yeah, you make sure you guys aren't trading with heavy position sizes, because any abrupt movement in the opposite direction is going to kill contract contract value. Honestly, I don't even want to trade, but let's do it anyway. Once like more and more people, like if the majority of everyone here were holding puts, I can just be like, hey guys, we made a lot of money already. Let's just take the rest of the day off, start the day on Monday. But it is what it is. Let's see. So 383 is major support on the SPY. I'm expecting that to hold and have a bounce to a potentially 385 to 386. Yeah, IV's at 53% now. IV is at 53%. Hmm. I would rather look to short on retest of major levels of resistance at around 385, 386, 387 area. If we do get that. And meaning for like swing shorts. And then at that point, I would probably get shorts for mid-October, November. Apple is cracking down lower. Tesla is also cracking down lower. But the SPY and the NASDAQ are basically holding the lows. IV is very, very high. Contracts are moving pretty garbage. I'm going to take very light SPY calls, 383.2 stop. This looks like a really good bullish. This looks like a really great bull trap. But it is what it is. I'm going long with a low of day stop loss. And again, the contracts are going to move very, very abruptly. It's not a day to overtrade. We made a lot of money already on short swings. So let's just see how things play out. So far, not looking too good. But everything bounced very, very strongly, if that's the right term. Everything bounced very well as it made new lows. That's the only reason why I felt comfortable going long here. If IV wasn't so high, if IV wasn't so high, they would have bounced this already very abruptly. But that's why it's taking so long, because the market has to basically make a decision. It would have already bounced aggressively if the IV wasn't so high, in my opinion. This looks like a good shorting opportunity, actually. If we don't break above in the next minute, yeah, honestly, it can go either way at this point. We came to sort of the highs here. We're failing at resistance. We need to get... Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. All right, nice. Perfect. It was a trade. We have to take trades when we get them, whether or not we believe they're going to work. It was a good setup. We went long. It is what it is. So now you guys just have to make sure this doesn't go red. These contracts should be up at least 10% for you guys. And yeah, good job so far. Just holding this now, essentially, and bulls want this to remain above 383.90. If it can remain above 383.90, this can continue going higher. If you guys made money already so far on this trade, make sure this doesn't go red. That's the main thing. At 10 to 15%, if you have a small account, you should automatically be taking profit and then not allowing the rest to go red. So, as stated, big red candle, right? So, it's important to solidify profits very, very quickly. That's why on days like this with high IV, especially with 0 DTE contracts, you have to be moving fast. Now we wait to see if we can get another entry. But a quick little move. Nice little trade. Nothing huge, but good trade nonetheless. we bought as we saw strength at the bottoms. It bounced up the next few minutes, broke highs, and sold. Contracts went up about 10-15%. Happy life. Apple, if you guys just look at Apple's chart, it looks absolutely disgusting. Pull up Apple's chart on the 1 minute. It looks garbage. A bunch of really disgusting indecision. Okay. NASDAQ is near its low of the day. The IWM is near its low of the day. It looks like it's about to break lows. Let's see. Good morning, good morning. Time delay. You guys should be, if you guys are watching on YouTube and there's a time delay, you guys should be watching the stream on Twitch. There's only like a 2-second time delay if you're watching the Twitch stream on your computer. Things are holding support, but it doesn't look strong. It looks like we're probably just going to continue falling lower here on the SPY. We could go short here with 383.50 as a stop. If, damn, is this going to be a repeat of yesterday? IV is so high. I went short. 383.60 stop. It's very far away. I would have liked it to bounce back up, but the momentum is clearly weak. We could have a dead cat bounce. We could end up ripping upwards, but yeah. Okay, so Tesla is bouncing off very aggressively off of support. Apple, everything is basically bouncing, but it is what it is. I really like this 383.60 level to go short against, but 383 is a major level of support on the SPY as well. It makes all the sense in the world for us to bounce, but we have to respect the weakness. Okay, if this doesn't work, then this is going to rip to the upside very strong. IV just keeps increasing as well. So we went and tapped 383.60, giving people another good shorting opportunity, but clearly holding the lows at 383 very well. Looks like we're about to break higher. Okay. See if we get a close, and then we'll close out of these puts. So far, respecting our level of resistance. It looks, I mean, it should be breaking above. Still hasn't. Still holding. This is really, really bad. That's very, very bearish. That doesn't really make much sense to me, actually, but our level of resistance held pretty perfectly. If they make a new leg down, that's going to be really, really insane. But we're not complaining because we're currently short. Huh. Yeah, people are going long. People are definitely going long right now. $380, $320 needs to hold. If, oh, okay. Yeah, if $380, $320 holds, if we don't get a close below that level, then wow, okay, yeah, a lot of people are buying. Lots of buying pressure. But the market keeps falling. Yeah, the market is really, really choppy. It's not giving clear-cut, definitive price action at the moment, so it's really, really not safe at the moment to trade. Today, specifically, IV is very, very high. It's really, really messed up, choppy price action. We made a new low. We're holding. We have to respect the weakness. Contracts are moving pretty garbage. Let's see if we can get some more room to the downside. Contract should be up about at least 10, 15% for you guys. So once again, nice little scalp. If you're holding one contract, you guys need to leave. If you're holding multiple contracts, you need to make sure that this doesn't go red. IV is still very, very high. So make sure you guys are solidifying profits if you have a smaller account. See how I wanted it to basically retest 380, 360, but we never got a close above. So these wicks that we see here, these are super, super bearish. And we never got a close above. And it was just an amazing opportunity for people to go short here. And then they made a new low. So pragmatically, many people went long here thinking we would bounce. Oh my God, look, it's 383. We're going to bounce. And then boom, they ripped it to a new low. So pragmatically at the moment, bears are currently in control, clearly, right? Now we need to see if one of these bottoms can hold and we can go long against it. And it looks like that's what's going to end up happening. I'm going to go long with 383.18 stop on the SPY. 383.18. If we get a close below that, then I'll sell. So this is a very, very tight play to see if these lows can hold. 383.18 is basically right here. And we're going to see if we can get a scalp to the upside. All right. We wicked. Let's see if we can fill the wick to the upside and continue going. But this is a nice little opportunity to the long side. Let's see if it works. We're not getting any good, fluid, amazing movements because IV is climbing. IV is at 53.5% now. So that's not good. Yeah, it looks like this is going to not work. All right, I'm going to sell out of these. That call didn't work. The market is very, very weak. Wow. Looks like we're going to make new lows. That was a very aggressive bull trap. So it looks like the market is about to tumble. The fact that that move didn't bounce, it looks like the market is going to tumble very, very aggressively. So you can probably get into some Lotto 380 puts, and we can end up really, really hitting those today. But the problem is the IV just keeps increasing. So yeah. So yeah, you can grab some 380 puts, hold those as lottos the rest of the day. Yeah, this is disgusting. Just really like slow, choppy price action, but it's a slow bleed down. So the market should continue to fall lower. Yeah, so we bought a few days ago we bought October 3rd 380 puts while the SPY was trading at around 395. So today obviously was a really, really good day for those puts. And now we're up good for the day. Now it's just a matter of seeing which way the market wants to go. Either today is going to be a very, very strong move to the downside. We're going to really, really show a lot more weakness. But most people are anticipating that we're going to bounce. If most people are anticipating a bounce, most likely that usually doesn't end up happening. And to create the most pain to retail, 380 would probably be the most pain to retail. Everyone is expecting a bounce at 383. Let's see. Let's see. Puts are moving so slow. But you could re-enter into SPY puts with 383 stop. But they are not moving very good, to be honest. Yeah, alright, makes sense. Let's see if they're making it really, really difficult to try to scalp at the moment. Everything is very, very choppy. Yeah, it's gonna be a slow bleed, and then eventually, once buyers stop stepping in, it's gonna be a really, really strong, abrupt move to the downside. So, yeah. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. We're watching candle price action of like 10-15% or 10-15 cents per minute. This is leading to a very, very strong candle to the downside. This whole setup is leading to a very strong crack to the downside. That's what's basically happening. And unless they can bounce it soon, this is gonna tumble very, very hard. The 380 puts are up. The nice. Nice. But the contracts are moving really, really garbage because IV is very high. One of these moves to the downside, if we don't have a strong, abrupt move to the downside soon, then this is gonna bounce to a new all-time or new high of day. But it all depends. What are they going to do first? Are they going to break it down first, or can they hold these levels of support? That's essentially what's going on here, with 383 as a major level of support. So if they can't reclaim 383 soon, then this is going to hit basically 381. But the risk reward favors the longs. Okay. Yep. IV is starting to fall lower. That's nice. I'm gonna go long 382.7 stop on the SPY. 382.6, sorry. If this doesn't work, then that is gonna be super, super bearish. Contracts are starting to move. IV is starting to fall. This should be a bounce, but once again, if we don't bounce here and we make a new low, it'd be interesting. But yeah, let's see what happens. We're wicking at resistance, which is not good. We're failing to claim above 383. We need a nice close above 383. Nah, this still doesn't mean anything. We need a nice close above 383, like 30. 383.30, 383.35. IV is starting to increase. Yeah, today is really, really weird. It's not, market's definitely not moving as fluidly. Yeah, that's it. This doesn't look good for our calls. These wicks. And yeah, we had some green candles, but this is not that bullish, in my opinion. We're failing to close above any major level of resistance. Support. Yeah. Looks like 383.30 could be a good shorting opportunity. It's unfortunate. Essentially, as soon as we bought, the IV started increasing. So if the IV had not been increasing like this, the move already would have already been happened, and we would have probably made a new high of day already. But once again, this is not, I mean, yeah, we had a huge big green candle so far. We need a nice close above 383.35, 383.40. All right. So you guys should be up at least another 10-15% on this. Looks like we're heading higher. We just closed, well, we're holding above the VWAP on both the SPY and the NASDAQ. So definitely take some profits and leave runners. And this could be a new break of high of day. But definitely take some profits and leave runners. You guys should be up at least 10-20% on this, depending on when you bought it. Oh, this is the 1 minute time frame. All right, contract should be up comfortably over 20% for everybody. Almost 30%. Yeah, this is tradingview.com. I was not really responding to the TikTok chat or anything. But yeah, man, if you guys, you know what time it is. If you guys made money today, drop some ones. Bunch of amazing plays so far. I need to see a bunch of ones if you guys made money so far. Twos, like twos. But yeah, ones would be nice. One. Is it too late to get calls? Yes. It's not safe. The safest entry for calls would be a break of high of day. Ones. I need to see a bunch of ones. This is gonna go on the TikTok video. So just type in a bunch of ones, guys. One. Nice. 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 That's awesome. That is awesome. All right. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Don't allow this to go red, obviously. This was a good play. IV is very, very high. Today is obviously not very safe to trade. We had a huge move to the downside. Everyone is expecting a move to the upside. But we had a slow bleed in the morning to make new lows. But we're currently holding on to runners. The SPY and the NASDAQ are both holding VWAP. Yeah, man. So far, so good. I would get a bit worried if we break below 383.50. But as long as 383.50 can hold, things look pretty good. So far, so good. But, yeah, I'm just trying to wait for really, really safe, good trade opportunities. Oh, nice. IV crush. IV fell. Very nice. Salutations, my brother. I would be careful about buying options or scalping options on Robinhood or Webull because you're not allowed to do market orders on shorter dated options. For some reason, like when I tried to do it on my account, it didn't work. When I see other people, oh sorry, when I used someone else's account, it didn't work. So maybe the settings are messed up, but yeah. TD Ameritrade is good. Interactive Brokers is also good. Yeah, Canadians can use Interactive Brokers. No, the Lotto puts I'm gonna hold. But of course, you shouldn't be holding them if you have a small account. But that's in case we end up tumbling really, really aggressively to like 380. But make sure you guys are handling your positions properly, etc. Oof. Have you shot up another 3%? Very nice. Oh, crap. Wow. Are we about to see a new high of day? Huh. No, guys, you can't. The safest entry to go long again, if you haven't, is basically retests of support or a close on the 1 minute candle above high of day. That, in my opinion, would be the, like, if you're not long already, if you haven't gotten long, just definitely right now is not a time to go long, because we're sitting right at resistance. I would, whoa, whoa. Oh, damn. Who is up? Who is up on these? Because I know for a fact you guys have to be up on these. You guys are watching this live for free. I'm doing this right in front of you guys. Kidding me. Kidding me. Shot up all the way to 385. Damn. Shit. See if we get 100% on these. Damn. Yeah, guys, I go I have Twitch. I go live on YouTube, Twitch, everything. Nice. I love to see the ones, man. I love to see the ones. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Do not allow if you guys allow these calls to go red, then I don't even know, to be honest. But what else do you guys want? It's 10:14. We've only been trading for 45 minutes. Made a ton of really good plays. And it is what it is. This is a great day so far. Up $5. Money is money, my brother. These cars down 30K. Oh my god. I didn't even realize I wasn't looking at everyone's chat. Damn. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I have to look at the YouTube comments. I wasn't even looking at the YouTube comments. I didn't realize. Whoops. Yeah, guys. Also, everyone watching on YouTube, there's almost no delay on Twitch, so I'm gonna go ahead and share the Twitch link with you guys. You guys should definitely watch on Twitch if you guys are scalping along, because on YouTube there's about like a 10-second delay. On Twitch there's nothing, so there's about a 2-second delay. So good morning. I have 5 puts. Let me know good time to sell. for October 3rd. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't see these messages. You briefly explain how the IV affects the contracts. Yeah, the contract price just increases. Why do you always ask for ones after you make a bad move? Aww. How do I kick this guy? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna hide the user on this channel. I hope I'm doing it to the right person. Alright, bye. Sucks for you. Alright, let me see. Yeah, so currently, guys, we're holding on to calls. We're holding on to runner calls. He said, I don't know, he said some bullcrap. He said, why do you ask for ones when you make a bad move? I don't even know how that works. Clap with tears. Yeah, it's so much easier. So much easier to just block negativity, not respond to them. Noise. Yo, first time here. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's on Tesla for today, boss? Tesla is one of the weakest at the moment. Apple is actually doing much better than Tesla. So I would want to see more strength coming out of Tesla. That would be better for the overall markets. But Tesla, you can see clearly it looks like we're in a bear flag. No, there's no delays on TikTok. We're already holding on to call runners, but let's see if we can get like a new play. September, 3% up today. Learning with a real small account, $200. Nice, congrats. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. Why is September historically a bad month? Don't really know exactly why. Good question. Google is going insane. Yeah, I know that September is just bad. I don't know the specific reason why. But historically, since like for about 80, 90 years, like September has been one of the worst performing months. Lots of juicy shorting opportunities, my brother. I'm greedy. Joey, so that's the problem. Right now I'm greedy. I basically want like a retest of 387 for scaling into late October, November puts. If we could get there, that'd be great. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys have been making money so far. Or if you guys haven't been making money, I hope you guys have learned a thing or two, because that's the most important thing. To be able to become self-sufficient and learn how to do all this on your own. that is the goal for everybody. Essentially, once you learn how to do this, you can go anywhere in the world. You can sit on a beach. You could just trade with your laptop. Boom, bam, life is good. but it just takes skill, and like you have to learn the skills. No, I don't teach anything. I have a Discord server where, you know, there's, wow, I'm brain farting. There's a lot of things going on at the moment. 1 second. But yeah, my Discord link is in the bio. You guys should definitely join there. It's a really, really awesome, vibrant community for non-toxicity. Everyone there is about their stuff. Everyone there actually wants to learn, supports each other. Really, really good environment we got going there. And other really, really amazing traders are also sharing their trades live, like for free as well. All of it is free. We're the only people on the internet sharing options trades like this completely for free. So this is, regardless of whether, you know, this is historical stuff, I'm the only person on the internet live streaming options trades completely for free. There's a Discord. There's a Discord. In the Discord, there's about 20 guys in there that can charge monthly, and people would pay them. But they're doing it completely for free as well. And it's crazy. It's a really, really, really amazing opportunity. Honestly, if I was 20, if I was in my early 20s, I would love to have that as a community. But trust and trust is a big thing lacking in the financial industry, in the social media world, and whatever. But yeah, that's why we're just doing everything live and everything. So as we continue, you know, sharing everything, there's no BS behind anything that we're doing. It's proof. The proof is in the pudding, man. Yeah, there's a lot of scammers. It's completely understandable, especially when people see what I'm doing. It's like, oh no, he's definitely selling a course. No, he's going live. He's definitely selling a mentorship. Oh, I completely understand. It's not, I don't take it offensively at all, because that's been their experience for everyone else in the industry. But I'm not like that. The proof is in the pudding. And I've never taken $1 from anyone for anything. I've never charged anybody for anything. Never charged for signals. Never charged for education, mentorship, answering questions. Nothing. All of it is completely free. And that's why life is good. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a free course that's gonna blow every single paid course out of the water. So I'm gonna basically soon also make a free course, and it's gonna be different because we're gonna be able to have my live trades in the course, and I'm going to be able to explain with detail of personal experience, essentially, why I entered, why I exited, etc., etc. It's gonna be dope. But yeah, guys, currently, if you guys are completely new to technical analysis and you guys want to watch a nice course on YouTube, I would recommend you guys go to Informed Trades. Go on YouTube, type in Informed Trades. It's a 77 long video. It's a 77 video long course on like the intro to basics of technical analysis. That was one of the first courses I ever watched. That was about 12 years ago. And to this day, that's still one of the best courses out there. But yeah, I'm gonna do it better, unfortunately. All love to that guy, though. All love to that guy. Every single person that's asked me, like, oh, you know, like, what course should I watch, blah, 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 I always send them there as the first course, because it's like, a really, really good resource. Yeah, guys, if you guys sent a message and everything on Discord, like, it's gonna take me some time to respond. There's a lot of different messages that I got, so I don't mean to offend you guys if I take too long to respond. It's literally like there's just a lot going on, and just give me some time. I'm getting a Dorito of Doom vibe with this pattern. Yeah, guys, everyone, if you guys have questions or anything, just message me on Discord and we'll get it sorted out. When I have time to respond, hopefully either today or tomorrow, I'm going to respond to everybody. And it's going to be nice. I need you to fire my boss. Had a meeting at 10 a.m. You should fire your boss. Can't ask for more. I can't see Draco Pew Pew. I can't scroll up, but if you were saying something nice, I really appreciate it. ZZTV, I had to lose my whole account for me to really learn. Yeah, every trader has to lose a lot of money to learn from their mistakes, essentially. Hamid, I love you, man. Appreciate you. But I had it for next week. I appreciate you guys. And I love you guys too, man. Handsome Rob. Yeah, that also makes sense. It's also the last quarter. It has to be more complicated than that. But yeah, that makes sense. The election year, yeah, everything that you said, Handsome Rob. Raz too. What is the point of the money? What is the point of all the money in the world when the economy is shit? To make sure that, ooh, Tesla just made a new low of day. But everything is still showing a lot of strength. This is crazy. This is wild. Could you explain the indicators that you use? Yeah, so I use the MACD, the 31016 MACD. I use the RSI, the Bollinger Band, the VWAP, and the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages. Satellite, this is the first time for many traders. We went to the bear market drawdown, left it, and then re-entered. Yeah, 100%. But all of this is really, really good experience. Because we're experiencing something in unison with everyone else that's been a legacy trader in the market. So people that have been in the market for 20, 30, 40 years, they are also currently experiencing a rapid influx of retail trading volume, a rapid influx of high options trading volume, etc., etc. This is completely new territory. So, experiencing this, whether or not you're profitable, even just sitting in the market and trying to understand what the market is doing on a day-to-day basis right now is going to do us so good 10, 20 years down the line. So it's a really, really good opportunity that we're here just doing this. The Discord link. Let me let me share that with. Oh, it looks like we're about to make another high day. Yeah, that's crazy. They ripped Tesla to a new low, and then they it made everyone bearish, only to rip it back up. Oh my god, that is wild. That is so disgusting. All right, let me add. Here's the. I'm gonna send it. I just sent the Discord link in the YouTube chat. Study and absorb the education. Wow, your viewers on Twitch is now above 300. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying the stream as much as I am, to be honest. What is head and shoulders? The bearish pattern. Trading places, yeah, just send me a message on Discord. Why? Camustar, you really need to work on your humility, man. People that good in this world don't be gloating like you're every day. Alright, where are you, Camustar? Should have just kept your mouth shut. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to get blocked. Camustar, you really need to work on your humility, man. I don't actually. Hide user on this channel. Yes. Sorry, Camustar. Have an amazing day. Damn. Also, crap. I literally fell on my bike into a puddle of water yesterday, and my phone died, so I couldn't sell my 20 bull contracts when it was dead cat bounce yesterday. Now I lost $40. Damn. Never been so unlucky. Honestly, what I'm gonna say is gonna sound very, very generic, but that's a part of the journey, man. Not everything works perfectly all the time. Not everything is literally going to work out exactly as you wanted it to work out. You have to laugh at yourself sometimes. You have to not take the losses in life so seriously, and you just have to zoom out and be like, damn, that was very, very unfortunate. I'm going to have a positive mindset about this, and it was a blessing that you even got into a position that you were super, super green on. You know what I mean? So you could easily do that again. Similar to what we just did right now on the SPY. Are we going to see 100%? Because that would be really, really nice if we could see 100% gain. But yeah, don't take losses and everything so seriously. Don't feel like everything is, you know, don't take life so seriously, man. Things are going out really, really well. You're in an opportunity where you're making money from your phone, man. That's what a blessing. And you were riding a bike at the same time. Sounds like an amazing time. Thank you, Pervez. Thanks for the advice. You're right. You should laugh at it. I mean, it sounds unfortunate. It's like if that happened to my friend, we would laugh it off. But of course, you know, it's all out of love. Like, I am not here trying to offend anybody or anything like that. It's really just all out of love. Like, you can't look at this stuff as seriously. Like, I had a friend the other day. He accidentally bought calls instead of puts, and then he ended up losing a lot of money. so it is what it is. Not he accidentally got into calls instead of puts, and as the market, he got into puts instead of calls, and I think his phone died, his computer died, everything. So then he saw like the price of the SPY going up. He got so excited. He's like, "Oh my god, yeah, these contracts are going to be up. He heard me saying, yeah, guys, the contracts are up 60, 70%. He signs in. He sees that he got into puts instead. So he lost the whole position. So that's funny. It is what it is. You can't you can't take life so seriously, man. Oh man, what a life. Mm. No, I didn't have a no, I never had a 9 to 5. Thank you, Hamid. Did you go to college? Where did you learn most of your trading knowledge? So I started studying and I sacrificed. I'm gonna go more in detail into this, but I literally had no life. I almost had I had a social life obviously, but I sacrificed leisure. I sacrificed everything. I was studying for at least like 12, 16 hours a day. Um, but yeah, that's what it takes. But now that I did that, I'm making it look really, really easy for you guys. And you guys don't have to go through that entire strenuous process that I did. So that's hopefully what we can do here. Making money and blocking out the haters. 100%. Life is good. Life is good. Jay Flores. Hey, brother, block all the toxic people. Yeah, thank you, Rob. Yeah, 100%. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna look at everyone's messages on TikTok really quick. Soon. Give me a second. Mm, just hit my 15% goal for the day. Just gonna observe this insanity market. Wow. Congrats, man. Good stuff. Cool, cool. All right. Let's check out TikTok. Down 90 today. All right. At least you're not down 100. Caught in puts right now. Yeah. You have to have stop losses. You can't be in puts if the market keeps going up. You have to know when to exit a position. You know what I mean? You have to have stop losses in place before you even enter a trade. You need to have a place where you're going to sell automatically. You need to have predefined levels before you even enter a trade. So please, like, you guys need to do that. Literally down 1K today, but you live and you learn. Yeah. Hope it works out, man. If you have any other questions or anything like that, shoot. Dabskis 710. Back. Still 90% down in my. Yeah. Oh, sorry to hear that. Made 800 in a day as a beginner and been downhill. Well, I mean, honestly, you guys are in the right place. To be honest, I don't mean to sound arrogant or anything like that, but it's like this is a really, really good space. The Discord is a really, really awesome environment for new traders. Now I actually am trying to help people completely free, and I'm a good trader as well. So yeah, man, I hope I can continue helping you guys, and you guys can see uh, the exact reasoning minute by minute of why I enter and exit. So hopefully, as time goes on, you guys will learn firsthand. So that's good. How do I learn to do this? Oh, you sent this a bit later. I think said the course. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Spizzo was waiting on that move to the downside on Tesla, and they literally ripped it. Yeah, really, really brutal. Really, really brutal. But now you know. Usually, so now you know when that happens, it's a good signal of a reversal to the upside. Better for me. Load up more puts. Yeah, I wanna re-enter like a better position potentially around like 387. I'm getting a little greedy. We might not even see 387 today, but I'm still holding on to a few of the contracts for the 380 puts, but the 380 October 3rd puts. But let's see if we could get a retest of like major resistance to re-enter. Looking for 387 to pick up more puts. Yep, exactly. Don't try to make up today what you lost yesterday. 100%. You have to move on. Every single day is a new day. You cannot you cannot enter you can't enter a new day thinking about, oh my god, I lost a bunch of money yesterday. I have to freaking make this money back. Blah 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 blah. No, nothing. You cannot enter a trading day like that. You have to enter it every single day, brand new, fresh. That's the only way you're ever going to be able to sustain longer term. Basketball players don't freaking get upset when they miss a shot. They position themselves for a good shot and take the next one. They don't think about the last missed shot. You have to keep up with trading. All it is, it's a numbers game. If you position yourself well enough for X amount of trades, X amount of trades will work. So you have to just come into it with a positive mindset. You have to basically adjust the way that you think. And you have to be honest with yourself. If the way that you've been thinking, you have to be brutally honest with yourself. The way that we've been thinking has gotten us to where we are currently in our lives. If you're not happy with where you are in your life currently, there are changes that you can make to better it. And a lot of it, like 70% of trading, 75 like percent of trading has to do with your mental, has to do with your emotional and mental control. And you have to forgive yourself. Not everything is going to be perfect. Not everything is going to work out 100%. Losses are part of the game. But you have to embrace the losses because it's a part of the journey. How do we study this more? Did you focus on emotions or more technicals? So there's a bunch of different, you could literally Google trader psychology books, read them. Read as many trader psychology books as you can. Trading in the Zone is a really, really good resource. You could go on YouTube, type in Informed Trades. That's a really, really good course that teaches technical analysis. And yeah. To learn more about options, optionalpha.com has a really good beginner's course. There's a lot of free courses on YouTube. All that stuff is all free. Literally, there's a lot of that information already there on the internet. Down to short the market. Yeah. Fizzo, down 200. I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, man. Do what's best. There's always next time. There's always tomorrow. Don't stress too much, man. How do I find your Discord? The Discord is in my bio on TikTok. Yeah, she, all of that is on Google, and I don't use Webull really to day trade. I use you could use, yeah, Webull and Robinhood are not good. Yeah, I would recommend opening an account, a cash account on TD or on Interactive Brokers. To be honest, you could paper trade on TD Ameritrade though. Uh, and so what did we do to deserve you, bro? Appreciate you. Appreciate you too, man. I did. um, how many contracts should an account with around 750 be buying per day? You should only. I mean, that's that's kind of small, but with that account size, you should only be trading one contract. In my opinion. But I'm not your financial advisor. Yeah, IKG 222. I think they deleted that post. Did you trade SPY this morning with chat for free? Yes, tell me. Henry, thanks for the tip. What about option trading and suggestions? Yeah, Option Alpha. There's also a lot of courses on YouTube. ESA, you shouldn't. I mean, you should be careful. You should just stick to one or two. Space Silver, you already made my mindset more positive. To hear it. Kobe Goat. I have only been watching for like 30 minutes, and I already can see that you legit. Thank you for it. You're welcome. I'm glad I can help. You have a great name. Hello, happy to UFC. Very Dylan. Very thoughts on lotto puts going green by end of the day. Yeah. We could easily see 380 today. That's why I feel comfortable just holding on to them. And are we gonna quit our 9 to 5 job and be full-time traders? Yeah, man. Hopefully, that's the goal. I checked it out and it really helped. Agent Mike. Oh, informed trades is amazing. Yep. Awesome. uh, 1 second. I'm gonna read the TikTok comments in a second. JR trade. Yep. Why don't you put right now? I didn't get a chance to enter into any of the puts because I was reading the comments. I wanted to respond to you guys. We already made a bunch of really good plays. I wanted to prioritize responding to you guys. What's the volume spike at 10 forward? I don't see a volume spike at 1040. Maybe what time frame? Hey, Deep. Hey, I'm his first time watcher here. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Arif. Thank you, Ahmed. Made a lot of money today by following you on October puts. Nice. Deep, I'm holding October 5th 380 puts. Shall I close them today? We got into. I sold the majority of my October 3rd 380 puts. So yeah, I already sold the majority of them. I'm expecting it to fall lower, but ideally, what I want is a retest of around 387 to get into more puts. Rocky Roads. I only made 10% today after going full portfolio. Money is money, Rocky Roads. You're not gonna make $30,000 every day. Nice. Nice. Congrats. Not this. What's a good profile size to start options trading? The main thing is you need income coming in. You need to have money, and you need to understand that the initial money that you start off with, say for example, it's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. That money you need to be okay with losing, because if you are completely new to options trading, it is very, very risky. There are going to be mistakes that you make. So two things: you need to make sure that you're already making money and you have income, and number two, you need to trade with something that you're willing to lose 100% of. Reptar, dumb question, but when you say you were going, no question is dumb. But when you say you're going to go long on SPY, does that mean you're buying calls? Yes. So when I say I'm going long, it means I'm buying at the money calls. If I say I'm going short, it means I'm buying at the money puts. Elijah, any inspiration for a kid that's 20, just wants to help his mother with money problems? The inspiration, first of all, you can hit me up. You can join the Discord, and we're gonna make sure that like you understand how to trade and get you equipped with everything. But the inspiration is there have been people your age that have gone through much worse than you currently are and have overcame everything. So if they did it, you can do it better. So always uplift yourself. Never doubt. Never have any doubt in your mind that things won't work out. Everything is going to work out. As long as you are putting in a lot of work every day, for things to work out in the future is inevitable. It's inevitably going to work out. Just keep on working, man. Let me read the TikTok messages. Abrupt moves. Yeah, today was really, really bad for that. IV is still really, really high. It's the last day of the week. We had a huge move to the downside. Yeah, it's okay. So today was really tough. What's your setup on trading with stop loss? I manually exit. Yeah, if you have a smaller account, you should only be trading with like 1 or 2 contracts per trade. Am I missing a trade? No. Am I on YouTube? Yes. Same name, Common Trades. The best beginner's tutorial is already free on YouTube. You just type in informed that you mitigate your losses. Mitigating your losses is the most important thing when it comes to trading. Making money is easy. Not losing money is the hard part. So if you have a string of victories, a string of green plays, it's very easy for newer traders to start thinking that they're on cloud 9. And then time and time again, because they don't have the proper discipline, because they don't And it's happened to everybody. It's happened to me. It's happened to everybody that I know. Like, most new traders have to deal with it. So if you think that I'm attacking you, it's happened to me as well. So don't get offended. But when you have a bunch of good trades that were working for no logical reason, people need to discipline themselves essentially with stop losses and making sure that they mitigate their loss. Because sometimes people hold and then they just keep on holding, thinking that it will return. It's happened to everybody. But that's the thing. You have to learn from the experience of other people to make sure that it doesn't happen to you. Yeah, with the specific jargon that you guys are asking about, with the specific jargon that you guys are asking about options and stuff, like, that can easily just be Googled. Strike price, all that stuff, like that can just be Googled. You could watch like a 2-minute long YouTube video explaining it in detail. Yes, this is the Bollinger Band on the 1-minute chart. My Twitch turned off? Okay. Oh. That's weird. Rodrigo, Informed Trades on YouTube. There's a 77 long video course. You guys should watch that. Yuang, it's easy to lose money and also make money. Yes. Yes. Dollar is going down and SPY is also. Does that make sense? It depends on how much the dollar. Yeah. But yeah, I don't charge anything. All of this is on YouTube free. But yeah, guys, just send me a message on Discord. I'm gonna head out. It's 11 a.m. I hope I got to everyone's questions. I hope everyone had a really, really good day. Definitely much more green than yesterday. And great day overall. I hope you guys had an amazing day. And I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys on Monday. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube video or YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow on Twitch. Definitely, guys, make sure you guys follow on Twitch, because on YouTube there is a delay. Go to the Twitch, twitch.tv/HamidTrades. Follow me there. No delay. It's much better. Let me share the link real quick. Boom, bam. Go there, make an account, follow me there. And yeah, see you guys Monday, man.